Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our next and last experiment from section A, that is the fourth experiment, and the experiment is to determine resistance of a galvanometer by half deflection method and to find its figure of merit. Clear? Student, you know what is the galvanometer, and galvanometer is a device which is used to detect the very small current. Clear? So here apparatus required are a galvanometer, a voltmeter, battery, two resistance boxes, one of approximately 10,000 ohms and second is your 200 ohm, two-way keys, rheostat, screw gauge, a meter scale, a ammeter, connecting wires and piece of a sandpaper. So student, how we can calculate the resistance of the galvanometer? So resistance of a galvanometer we can find out with the help of this formula, and here formula is G is equal to R into S upon R minus S, where R is the resistance connected in series with the galvanometer and S is the shunt resistance. Student, this part we have already discussed in the theory portion also. So second is your to find the figure merit. So here K is equal to E upon R plus G into theta, where E is the EMF of the cell and theta is the deflection produced with the resistance R. Theta is the deflection produced with the resistance R. And here we can calculate the maximum current that can pass through the galvanometer, which is equal to Ig is equal to Nk, where N is the total number of divisions on galvanometer scale on either side of 0. Clear? So its diagram is very important. With the help of this diagram we can connect our different apparatus or different components. So here batteries, so positive part of the battery is connected with the resistance box and second side of the resistance box is connected to the galvanometer. Same side galvanometer is connected to the shunt resistance, that is your also resistance box, and then second side of this resistance box is connected to the key and this key is your K2. Then this side of the key is connected to the galvanometer and again a wire is used here from the galvanometer to connect the one part of the key which we named K1 and second part is connected with the negative side of the battery. Same way we can find out the figure merits. Here we cannot connect the shunt resistance. Only simple diagram is there where a battery is connected with the resistance box, then galvanometer and galvanometer connected with the key and key is connected with the negative part of a battery. Clear? Student, these two diagrams are very important. Student, this is the whole arrangement of your galvanometer deflection half method. So this is your battery and battery is connected with the resistance box. This resistance box is yes, that is your 10,000 ohms value. Next one, that is your galvanometer. And a shunt, that is your a low resistance box. Its value is 1000. Yes, 1000 ohms resistance value is there. And these arrangement are connected with this one-way keys according to the diagram. This whole arrangement is done according to the diagram. Clear, student? Now battery eliminator on, clear, and there is galvanometer, but here there is no deflection. It means that needle is at 0. Clear student? This is your key 1, this is your key 1, and this one is your key 2. According to the diagram, the key which is connected with the shunt resistance, its name is your key 2. So this is your key 2 and this is your key 1. Clear? Now student, first of all we take out a sufficient resistance from the resistance box, and here that is value is 5000. Take out the value, that is your 5000 ohms. When 5000 ohms value is take out from the resistance box and put key in this one way key, then galvanometer shows deflection. And if you are able to see that its value is 20, 22, division, here we count the division, so 10, 10, 20, 22, 23, and this is your 24. 24 division is there. It means that galvanometer shows the 24 division deflection when 5000 ohms resistance we can take out from the resistance box. Clear student? Here you note these two values. Now next step is put or close the key, that is your key 2, this one we close it. Now we have say a deflection, now it's reduced. Now we set this value, so we have give the half division. So here we take out yes, that is your 2 ohms. Value is your 2 ohms. So 24 division half is your 12. So 10, 11, 12. Yes. Student, you can arrange this with the help of take out the different values of resistance. Yes students, so this is your 12 ohm and resistance which we take out, that is your 2. So by this way we can take 4 or 5 reading and calculate the value. Thank you.